Adam Schlender. I'm a senior associate with Doosan Mobile Innovations. We have these incredibly sophisticated, completely autonomous systems. Commercial drone operation today it consists mostly of autonomous flight, right? It's repeatable. You know exactly what you're going to get at the end of the day. You kind of mapping missions and things. It's a completely autonomous mission. I think the industry is held back by the requirement for a kind of very expensive robot babysitter. So I think that just sort of adds cost to operations, which is a bit of a barrier to adoption. 3 to 4 days, mapping a large site or a large vertical asset, like a large bridge or something like that. Now that's an operator for an afternoon or a few hours in the morning.
So
I think it'll be kind of all the promise of the industry and the economic impact and the impact to society, and aerial data is becoming ubiquitous and indispensable in a lot of different industries. I think the beyond visual line of sight regulation will be when we'll really start seeing large impact to companies' bottom line, just transforming the way they do business. You would imagine there being a sort of person in a mission control where they're monitoring a system and they're monitoring multiple flights at one time, and they have the ability to remotely intervene, or if there's going to be some sort of conflict or emergency or something of that nature, as opposed to basically having to transport the robot physically to the site and stand there while it's doing its thing, and it's sort of one-to-one. Go from being one-to-one to one to N. I think that'll be